Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this frontal micro twist wig step by step. I'm going to show you how I sew my elastic band, how I cut my lace, and yeah, everything guys. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So let's get into the tutorial. I've already made my frontal. In the tutorial on how to ventilate exactly a frontal like this one is linked right here on the screen, and it also be linked in the description box. So onto the braiding, just crisscross your braiding here like that on your hair, and then you're going to braid about 1/4 of an inch. So braid like that, and make sure when you're doing the roots right here, don't rush guys. Take your time when you're braiding so that your roots will be tight. If you do it quick, there's a chance that you're going to repeat that because your roots are going to be loose. So make sure you take your time when you're doing this. Braid 1/4 of an inch, and then you're going to section your hair into two, and then you're going to start twisting. Yeah, so when you're twisting, make sure you're twisting both sides of your twist so that your twist will be stronger. So just twist, twist. I'm not going to finish twisting until the ends. I'm just going to twist about 3 inches, and then I'm going to leave it. I'll finish twisting later on. So like that, I'm going to be sectioning my hair using my needle. I'm going to be sectioning 3 vertical lines. I'm going to explain about these lines after this. So just take your braiding hair, and then you're going to crisscross it on your hair, and then you're going to braid about 1/4 of an inch, and then start twisting. So braid, make sure you're doing this slowly, and make sure your braid you're pressing it down and braid so that it won't be loose, it will be tight and secure. So braid 1/4 of an inch, and then you're going to section your hair into two, and then you're going to start twisting. I will show you another method guys on how to section your hair. So this one is beginner friendly. The way of sectioning it like this is easier for beginners. So twist until you're satisfied, like 3 inches, and then you come back later on to finish. To make this frontal, I used method number 2, so it's easier to see your lines. So as you can see guys, horizontally I did 4 lines, and vertically I'm going to section 3 lines. Yeah, so it's easier to count your line. Make sure you count 4 ventilated vertical horizontal lines, and then 3 ventilated vertical lines, and that is how you get this same size that I did right here for my parting, as well as the sectioning of the boxes. So method number 2 and method number 3, you can easily section your lines like this, and you have a clean part. So just braid 1/4 of an inch, and then you're going to twist. And like I said before guys, the tutorial for the frontal is going to be linked in the description, so you can go and check it out after watching this video. Yeah, so that you can know how I sew my lace, how I measure my lace, how I sew it on my wig cap, how I draw my hairline, how I ventilate it guys. Everything is in that tutorial, so do go and check it out. Yeah, so just crisscross your braiding hair like that, and then you're going to start braiding. Take your time when you're braiding and make sure it's tight, and braid 1/4 of an inch. And this is the other way guys, you can section your hair. You can section it with your finger on the side, and then you're going to braid it to the other side, and you'll be having 2 strands twist. I will show you guys this method again later on in the video. I'm just going to be switching between the beginner friendly one and the faster one that you can do when you're twisting. So this one right here is the beginner one, but I will be switching between the beginner and the faster one, and you can use whichever way is easier for you. So on this one guys, you can section your hair into 2 like this, and then you're going to twist your 2 strand twist. And you can also use the other one that I showed you before, this one that you can section on the side. You can practice both of them and see which one is easier for you. Just in case you're wondering about the braiding here, I used Darling 1 million braids color 30, and I used 6 packs and 3/4 of the other one. So just buy 7 packs of braiding here. I'm going to leave that in the description so that you can check it out. Yeah, so 7 packs of Darling 1 million braids color 30.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with.
So right here guys, I'm going to show you the other method. So crisscross your braiding here like that, and then start braiding about 1/4 inch. So braid, make sure you take your time so that your braiding is tight, and then section your hair from the side like that. Braid once, and then you're going to start twisting. Yeah, so this method is faster than the beginner friendly one, where you have to section the hair when it is in between the two strands. So just braid, and then you're going to use your pointing finger to section your hair, and it will be easier if you have like a little bit of nails, short nails, to section your hair. So twist, and continue doing that. So I'm going to switch again between this and the beginner. I don't know, I was just mixing guys, going on. So yeah, this one I did right here is the beginner one. So section in between like that, and then you're going to have two sections and twist going down.
Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
This is the last one right here. I'm going to use the quicker method. So you're going to braid 1/4 inch, and then you're going to section your hair from the side with your pointing finger like that, and then we are going to braid once, and then you're going to start twisting with both hands so that your twist can be tighter, guys. Yeah, so just twist, 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 twist. And this is how my frontal is looking like. So we're going to do the back. So this is it, guys. This is how it's looking, and this is how the other side is looking. So for the back, guys, I'm going to be using this twist that I make using the leg method. The tutorial is linked on the screen right now, and it's also be in the description box. Pass your crochet through your wig cap, and then you're going to hook your twist on the loop, and then you're going to pass it through the wig cap, and then you're going to go to the ends of your twist, and then you're going to hook it through, passing it through your loop and tie a knot. So pass it through like that, and then go to the ends, hook and pass it through, and pull and tie your knot, guys. I have other tutorials on this method, guys. If you have been watching my videos here on this channel, you know this method very, very well. So guys, I didn't show much of this method right here at the back because I have so many tutorials on this, guys. I have so many, like, yeah. So let's continue, guys. Just make sure you're spacing, especially when you're doing the sides and the lower part at the back. You can space more, and when you're doing this part right here at the back, the top part, like the middle part and the top part, your twist has to be, it should be closer to each other so that it won't show at the back. It will be covered, because the back, it can easily show what's going on back there. So you have to make sure that more braids are focused on the back part than the sides and the lower part. So right here, continue filling in, and yeah, and this part that is connected, that is connecting the frontal and the wig cap, make sure you crochet your braids right here again, to blend both the frontal and the wig cap together, and also to add more braids to cover the back part. So just do the same method that you are doing below. Just pass your crochet through, and then you're going to hook your twist on the loop, and then you're going to pull it through, and then you're going to go to the ends of your twist, and then you're going to hook it, passing it through your loop, guys. Yeah, so just do this, pass it through, and then pull and tie. So this is how I'm going to do to cover this part that is connecting the frontal and the wig cap. And like I said before, a tutorial on how to make this micro twist on your leg is going to be linked in the description, so that you can check it out and learn, just in case you haven't seen it, and you can learn how to do this and make your job easier. So this is the last one right here, and this is how it's looking like, guys. This is how, as you can see at the back, it's really covered, guys. Yeah, so now the next thing is to trim, guys. And for trimming, I'm going to be using a hair clipper. I'm not going to be using a scissors. I'm going to be using a hair clipper, and it is faster doing it that way, but you have to be careful. Any silly mistake, you can cut your twist and you start over. I'm telling you. I did this like 2-3 times and I had to start over. So make sure you are careful when you're doing this, but it is faster than using a scissors when you trim with a hair clipper like this. So now I'm going to be sewing my elastic, and I've already done one side, and this elastic is 10 inches, guys. So if you're size small, you can use 9 inches. If you're medium like me, you can use 10. If you're size large, you can use 11 inches. So I'm going to be sewing, and make sure that when you're sewing, you are tying as you go, because we want it to be stronger, because it will stretch when you are wearing it. So we want it to be stronger and last longer. So just sew and tie as you go, guys, from this side all the way to the other side. Continue sewing and tying as you go. This elastic right here will make it possible for you to wear this wig glueless. And of course, if you want your lace to be melted, you can use lace spray, and your wig will be secured already with this elastic, guys. You just need lace spray to melt the lace and make it look seamless. Yeah, so make sure you sew this, whether it's a closure wig or it's a frontal wig. Just make sure you sew an elastic so that your wig will be more secure. And the lace that is remained right there, guys, is the 1.5 inch that I leave so that my wig can lay can lay nicely on the ear part without irritating it. So 1.5 inch that should leave from your hairline going to the ear so that your wig can sit correctly. Yeah, so this is how it's looking like, and as you can see guys, it's flowing to the right direction. And you can also attach these smaller ones that comes with the wig cap, yeah, for more security. Yes, so this is it guys, this is how the wig is looking like. So this is how it is on the mannequin, and I'm also going to be showing you when the lace is cut, like what it looks like guys. You'll see that it is secure. So this is how it's looking. Let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section down below, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and join this family guys. Join the family. Also watch my previous videos so that you can know more about me and the channel. So for cutting guys, I just use these small scissors, or you can use an eyebrow razor, and make sure you don't cut straight, you cut in a zigzag manner so that your lace will not be too visible. Like when you cut straight, the line will show. So this is how it's looking like when the lace is cut guys. This is it, and you can wear your glueless wig, and if you want like a more seamless look, you can apply lace melting spray. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section down below, and leave your comment in the comment section down below, even an emoji guys. If you don't have anything to say, just an emoji. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your love and support guys. I will see you in my next tutorial. Don't forget to share this video and like. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.